How to adjust your brightness on Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be seeing how you can easily adjust your brightness levels on Windows 11. Let's just dive right into the video. First thing first, you want to come over to the bottom right corner on your taskbar, and here you just tap on the control menu. Then you have two sliders. The first one is for your brightness slider, so you can easily adjust your brightness from here. You might also have function keys on your keyboard, so you can press on it to adjust your brightness. The next thing you can do is go over to your settings. Go to the search menu and simply search for settings. Click on here. Once you open up settings, you want to go over to system, then go to display. Now here are some things that you can change. The first one is obviously your brightness control, and if you expand this, you'll get an option to change brightness based on your contents. So if you want to turn it on, you can do that, but I'll just keep it off for now. And you have your night light. What it does is if you turn this one on by clicking right here, it's going to make your screen significantly warmer, and you can also adjust the strength of your night light so that you don't get blue light while using your PC at night. Once that is done, if you have the NVIDIA's graphics control, you can do that. I don't have NVIDIA's graphics card, so what you can do is just search for Intel Graphics Command Center. From here, you can also adjust your brightness. So just let's wait for this to load. Now from there, you want to go over to the display settings, and you can change your colors, your themes, your RGB, and you can adjust with all of these intensities as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.